afternoon, minis. What's up? It's your girl, Rosh. What's going on, yo? I actually went for lunch with my awesome sister and her legit friend. So, she's now my bestie. We've been hanging out even after lunch. It is amazing. We even stopped for coffee, took selfies, all that jazz. And here she is, her name is Monica. She's my new best friend, yo. So that's what's crack-a-lacking with your girl at the moment. Yeah, this is the coffee we got. Ain't showing the name, yo. Don't wanna get demonetized. So, really, what's so funny, Monica?
You're just hilarious, you know that, right? You know it, girl.
This girl is so funny. This is the first time she's getting featured in my vlog. So she's
The first of many. I'll be right.
She is so cool. I'm having so much fun with her. I will catch you guys on the flip side. Hi guys, I'm back on the flip side. It's the next day and I'm hanging out with the coolest people, yo. I'm hanging with my little sister. And we cool to be cool, yo. So currently we are going where are we going at the moment? We're going to South Bombay. And what's in South Bombay? The what? The Gateway of India. That's the Taj Hotel. And I'm gonna see where my dad actually grew up and his school. So I'm pretty excited. So these things are exciting me. I'm getting to see cool things, new things like that. It's worth it, yo. So I will see you on the flip side. You can see things.
We're going on the Worli Sea Link, and you can see the bridge and the sea and the skyline. Mr. Uber. And we have this is a view in the front. So we go down. Woo woo! Whoa! Looks like we're going on a roller coaster, but we're not. It's just an optical illusion. And going through the tunnel, holding our breath. Not really, because I'm talking. Alright, we'll see you on the Wiki Wiki flip side.
Hi guys, I'm back on the flip side. I went to something totally so cool. It's literally a clothes swap thing where you actually get to swap clothes, it gets hung, all that jazz. And
Sorry.
it's okay. I'm actually with some really cool people. I'm with this legit bro.
Hi.
And with my legit sis too, yo. So yeah, I was telling you, I went to this really cool thing and I got some really cool stuff. So So that's what's cracking with your girl at the moment, hey? Guys, my view is not that spectacular, but gonna show it to you in anyway. So give me 1 second. Guys, this is my view. Now I will catch you on the flip side now. Hi guys, I'm back on the flip side. Sorry for the late flip side, yo. So I actually was having dinner at a mall with the legit people, yo. It's good to have cool company with the legit people, yo. Like the awesome sister and the really cool to be cool. So basically today was an awesome day, all in all. It was well worth it. That's for sure. That's what's crackalacking with your girls. Fun times never end. I've seen things I never thought I would ever see, but loved it thoroughly. That was really awesome. So I may see you all tomorrow. I'll let you guys know for sure. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, I was joking about when I said see you tomorrow. I mean, I'm back on the final flip side. I'm ending this for reasons. I really hope you did enjoy the whole entire vlog from start to finish. If you did, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and FYI get notified. With that being said, I got to rock and roll. Rock and roll, yo!